Hi everyone, it's Luke from Tentworld in Midland. Now if you have short arms or an appetite like Rexy here, stay tuned because you may appreciate the Campfire giant roaster marshmallows or the Coleman Extendable cooking forks. So now that the weather's a bit cooler, it's a great time of the year to get out camping and to have a fire, and nothing goes better with a fire than roasting marshmallows. Now these Campfire giant roasters are absolutely huge, a bit over 2 inches in size, so they're almost 4 times the size of your regular marshmallows. They are gluten-free, also fat-free. Now there's 12 to a packet, so there's plenty there for the whole family. And they work really well with the Coleman Extendable forks. Now in their closed length, you're looking at 55.8 centimetres, and they extend out to a whopping 76.2 centimetres. So it's great to keep little hands and big hands away from the fire, so the kids can enjoy the fire and it keeps everyone safe. So these forks are really well made. They're corrosion resistant with a chrome coating, and they have a really comfortable rubberized handle grip. So when you finish roasting and eating your marshmallows, you always get left with a really sticky, gooey coating on your forks. But my tip, just pop them into a glass of water overnight, and in the morning they'll clean up really easily. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please head down to your nearest Tentworld store and grab yourself some Coleman forks and some giant roasters. What do you reckon, Rexy?